sa kumbaga isang tourist spot sa sa Zamboanga, which is Pasinangka.
At andito talaga tayo sa aviary na kung saan makikita natin ang iba't ibang mga animal. At na.
Your lipstick stains on the front of all my left side brains. I knew I wouldn't get you, so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I had decided was one of my kind. Hey soul sister, ain't that Mr. Mister on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fake, no. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing with you tonight.
Nandito po kami sa pangalawang tourist spots, kumbaga, ng makikita natin sa Pasinangka.
At dito makikita natin ang iba't ibang butterfly. Ah, isa.